Right, they literally brought out Bastion. They said, hold up, I'm gonna be a bitch real quick.
I want that robot back.
They are progressing. We must stop them. Let's kick this off. Can't let them keep going. I need healing.
What's up, motherfucker?
Ah, dude, these are being so annoying.
Nice try and outstanding.
It's a mercy battle. Our mercy's better. Dude, these bitches!
I'll be keeping the change. Really, give it to them. Smoke out there. Just point me in the right direction.
Your little pussy belongs to me.
Hey.
Lead the way. Now.
You're not that guy, pal.
Somebody get me some healing. Thanks. Bob, do something. Let the Kitsune guide you. Better get digging, Bob. She's gonna blow. I am fucking fuming!
This fucking Zen, dude. What the fuck?
Let's take him down. You'll never take me alive. There's much for you to do. Don't know when to quit, do they? Robot's mine. Hello.
What's up, you fried chicken butterbean biscuit eating motherfucker?
Ah!
I ain't hit a damn thing. You ain't hit shit.
It be like this sometimes, bro.
Never die. The robot's pushing our barricade. Valkyrie justice. Dead as a doornail. Let's Play of